Hello everyone and welcome once again to this channel. Now in this video I'm going to walk you through how to copy meeting ID in Zoom. So the first thing you're going to do is sign in or log in. So you can do that on your app on the PC or the website, that is us05web.zoom.us, or just simply type in Zoom login and it will take you to the place. So that's kind of simple. Let's make our life so much simpler. Anyway, we're here now. This is the home page and we want to copy a meeting ID. Maybe we want to share it. That's why we need to copy. We want to schedule a meeting and copy our meeting ID. Now we have personal meeting ID and it's displayed on this home page. In case you can see, it's on the far right. This way. Follow me, follow the cursor, and here it is, personal meeting ID. This is it. So you simply copy it by clicking on this icon, copy to clipboard. Then you can go up and send it to whoever you want to send it to, so the person can join the meeting. It's as simple as that. Very, very, very simple. So that is it. That is how to copy meeting ID in Zoom. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.